Alright, welcome back to All in Cards Team Case Break for busting a box of Valiant football. We're going to pick one of these lucky boxes. How about somebody pick a number? We got 1, 2, 3, or 4. How about Billy or Phil, pick a number. Alright, 1, 2, 3 it is. Box 3 on the top. Let's go. Again, the draft order for this one is A-Rod, Billy Mason, Billy Mason. We have a Warner, Zach Line, Matt Barkley, one target, Mike Glennon, and a Jonathan Franklin Stars, number to 25. Alright, there's your box of Valiant.